Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a stair transformation we did at the beginning of this year. We gave you a little tease in one of our how-to videos, and we wanted to come back and show you the finished results. So you can see they have a few open stairs and that landing lip at the bottom and then the closed lip at the top. So here it is, that final result. Boom. Really custom job. Turned out absolutely fabulous, if we do say so ourselves, with the capping of those bottom stairs and of course the closed stairs at the top. This was a full home installation, and so it really, you could see here in the side by sides that true transformation that we're looking at. And here you can really see the difference in that end result. Of course, the beautiful vinyl stairs there with the capping on it, with the new spindles, the new shape of the railing as well to modernize that, and the trim and the extension of the drywall at the bottom to just give it a truly beautiful professional finish. So if you'd like to be our next customer and you'd like these to be your stairs, please make sure you reach out. You can find us at stepupvinyl.ca for lots of other pictures and testimonials from our customers. These open stairs, they are a custom job. We come in, we make each and every single one unique, and do that installation process as well. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and come on back. We have a number of transformations that we'll be posting in the coming days that we've been working on, and lots of them with open stairs as well. See you in the next video.